Hello everyone. Do you remember our song Shake the Papaya Down? We did that last time. Well, we're going to use that song now and discuss the form of it. Remember, I told you we would be discussing the form of the song. And that is just a little map of how the song is set up. What comes first, what comes second, what comes next, okay? Our form that we are going to discuss is called Rondo Form. And in this case, we have all of these sections. We have an A section, a B section, a C section, and a D section. Look how many times A comes back though. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I bet you can guess what part of the song we did 4 times. Did you say singing? The singing section is the same each time. Same words, same melody, we're singing the same. But here's our different parts. We have the B section, which is the first rhythm pattern that you make up, right? And if you remember back from last week or last time that you saw this video of me singing and performing for you, I did a whole bunch of different rhythms in the first section, but my C and D sections were totally different rhythms. And that has a lot to do with the fact that I was making it up as I was going along, right? That is called improvisation, where you make it up on the spot and you don't practice it beforehand, okay? So very common with this kind of form. We have B, C, and our D sections are different. And then, of course, our A section comes back and ends with the singing. If we look at it like this, it shows us right up here. A, sing the song. B, play a rhythm pattern. A, sing the song. C, play a new rhythm pattern. A, sing the song. D, play a new rhythm pattern. And then A, sing the song. Okay, so that is how our rondo form is set up, boys and girls. Which letter sequence best shows the form of Shake the Papaya? We know that it is dun, 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 this top one, A, B, A, C, A, D, A, right? Now let's go back and fill out some rhythms in our boxes. We have our heart boxes, right? So now each of these hearts represent a beat in our song. And remember, all together we have 16 beats in between for those B, C, and D sections. So we need to make 4 beats here, 4 here, 4 here, and 4 here. I'm going to start with my ta for a quarter note. That gets 1 beat. I'm going to make another ta, another beat. Then I'm going to give a TT to this beat. Remember, a TT together, TT, also gets 1 beat. It's just played a little bit faster. My last one, I'm going to end on a ta here for this measure. Now we're going to go on to the next measure, 4 beats. This one I'd like to throw in a rest first of all. And this is a ta rest, so it gets 1 beat of silence. Then I'm going to do ta, 1 beat. Let's make it interesting and do TT at the end and another TT at the end. Remember, our TTs are both 1 beat each, okay? Let's just play this rhythm on the drum or whatever you have at home, the first 2 measures. Ta, ta, T, T, ta. Rest, ta, T, 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 T. Okay? Now the last 2 measures, I'm going to start with a new pattern, a new rhythm pattern here. Oh, this is my ta-ah. It's not colored in. It's like a ta, but it's not colored in. And it gets 2 beats, so we're going to attach it to the 2 hearts. 1, 2. It's going to extend all the way over here. Okay, so we do 1, 2. 2 beats, okay? And then I'm going to do a TT here. And a ta here. Okay, these are 1 beat, 1 beat. Then I'm going to do another ta, 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 and let's end with a rest, which remember gets 1 beat of silence. Okay, so playing that all out, we have ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, rest, ta, ti, 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 ta, slide, ti, ti, ta, 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 and rest. Okay, here I did like a little slide extension with my drum, ta, slide, right? If you're clapping, ta, slide, goes up the arm, okay? You can say ta, ah, okay? So that's how we show 2 beats. All right, so this is a really good pattern that you can now insert it into your song. If you want to play a rhythm that you want to read with it, of course that's going to change our form a little bit because it's not improvised, right? You'll know exactly what you're writing down and playing before you go ahead and do that. You can keep it the same rhythm each time that you play it, so that would be A, B, A, B, A, B, and then A form, right? If you kept the rhythm all the same. So there's different ways of doing this and changing our form and the outlook of our whole song and putting it all together. You can use my rhythms if you want and play the song over again, write it out and put it in front of you, go back to the other video and have fun making music with this and adding your own sounds and instruments and singing along with me. Okay, I hope that you guys enjoy. And once again, you can see this pattern, copy it down, and have fun, guys, as always. See you next time.